What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play Teen Romance by Lil Peep. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you click the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes, so stick around to the end of the video where I'll explain how you can enter the giveaway, but for now let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, so this song is in standard drop D tuning with a capo on your first fret. Remember, drop D tuning is standard tuning except your low E string is tuned down to a D note. It should be an octave lower than your D string. I will preface this video by saying this is not going to be 100% exactly right. This song is sampled from a song called My Life in Art by Mojave 3. That song itself is originally played in a very weird tuning, and then, as Peep always does, he took the song, pitched it down, slowed it down. What I came up here is going to be the closest thing and the easiest thing to where you can at least play through the song, and if you want to sing along to it, you know, you can play through it. Again, it's not even going to really sound right when you play this with the song, just because the song itself it's just out of tune. It's not in any real tuning. It's when they pitched it down or slowed it down, it put it in a tuning that you would have to purposely tune your guitar out of tune to play along with it. So this is going to be the closest thing that I found that you can at least play the song and sing along with it. So you're starting here with this version of an E chord. It's going to be your ring finger on the 5th fret on your A string, your middle finger on the 4th fret on your D string, and your index finger on the 3rd fret on your B string. And you'll want to play this low D note with it. And then your next chord, all you're doing is moving that ring finger down to the 5th fret on your low D string, and then you're putting your pinky finger right where your ring finger just was on the A string on the 5th fret. Your strumming pattern is going to be a simple down, 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 up, down, 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 up throughout the entire song. It looks like this. Down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up. And that pattern just repeats throughout the entire song. Again, I know that there's a lot of other things going on musically in this song that I'm not covering. Like I said, the original sample is just, it's already played in a very weird tuning, and then again it's been taken, slowed down, tuned out of tune. So this is going to be the easiest way to just play along with the song, and if you're you're playing it for your friends or for yourself, you can at least play through these chords and you will be able to sing the song along to it. This is just the easiest way that I found that you're going to be able to play the song without it just being super frustrating and have to tune your guitar in a crazy way. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you got to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now, the way it's going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.